Duck? I guess this is a shock. I don't know what else to say. I panicked. I hate this. This is going to be horrible.
1 hour later.
I long for the microwave.
It's getting frightening. Nom, 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 nom.
Hey, I'm gonna steal your girl. She chose me, bro. I don't believe in consent. Hey, I'm gonna steal your girl. She chose me, bro.
Tag me this nerd. Do you like my zoo? Holy frick. Makes everything a frog.